Anyways, time for the Intense 5. Another Zoso named, this time Greenwich Town. So if you have to head that way, prepare for a delay. Big up to the JDF and the JCF on the front line though. Be safe.
I kinda lost with August Alsina and the whole Jada mix-up. Now, Will denies it, Jada denied it too, but August kinda all up in his feelings, so who knows?
You know, I believe August though, because the man was basically on his deathbed the other day. I feel like he won't tell him truth. But I feel like the way that he said it is why Will and Jada are denying
because
it.
him say Will give
him blessing and basically, yeah, like him
but if him not lying, yeah,
I don't think he's lying. But I think the way that he said it is what they're denying, not the fact
because
that it
look
happened.
away.
Yeah.
like
he must say, is an affair, and you know maybe she may say no, it wasn't an affair, it was an exchange of energies. You know, man talk. You know how Jada can kind of go around. She can see when she have her table talk
she
coming.
need to bring herself
She
to
is
the
bringing
red
herself
table.
to the red table.
Good.
So we'll see. Lisa Hyper has publicly apologized to Spice and says that their beef will now be served with champagne. And Spice accepted the apology.
Woo-hoo.
You go, ladies.
Theaters and cinemas will reopen tomorrow, but under strict guidelines. So go early, cause you know how that go.
So we are gonna watch.
We don't know rerun, we just want go. We're gonna watch a movie from 10 years
Titanic.
ago. 10, 20 years ago, it don't matter. We just want something to go on.
And Lion King and Hercules. And finally holding the spot this week, Reagan King shot and injured while heading to a funeral. Sadly, a young lady who was traveling with him died from her injuries. Really, really sad. Wishing the artist a speedy recovery. I really don't know what's going on, but please be safe. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember, if there's something intense happening in your area, hit us up and we'll check it out.
By the way, if you know the name of the Jamaican superhero who wears blue tights, make me know, please. Up next, because we know outside soon free up, we revisited Jamaica Food and Drink Festival. Intense soon forward.